If you want to hide photos or videos on Google Pixel 11, you can go to the Photos app. There we go. Now in here, you can select any photo or video that you want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna choose this picture here. Next, you can tap on Add To at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find Locked Folder. So we're gonna choose that, tap on Continue, and then confirm that you want to move to the locked folder. And there we go. Besides that, if you go back to the gallery over here, you can press and hold your finger to select the first file that you want to hide, and then you can select multiple pictures at once, pictures or videos, of course. And once you have at least 2 selected, or I guess 1 is enough as well, then you should be able to scroll through this list of options at the bottom, and you can find Move to Locked Folder. So you can tap over here and confirm that you want to move. So you can, of course, select multiple files at once and move them all to that locked folder and hide them over there. Now, in order to find the locked folder, you just have to go to Collections at the bottom, so tap on the Collections icon, and then scroll all the way down, and usually here at the bottom, you can find the locked folder. Verify yourself with the fingerprint or screen lock password. If you want to, you can also back up your locked folder. And there we go. Here we can find our hidden photos and videos. Leave a like and subscribe.